Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to remote open the windows on your Audi Q3. The Audi Q3 Global open and close feature is really handy, especially on a baking hot summer's day when you're coming back to your motor. So instead of just pressing the unlock button once, hold the button down, keep it pressed, and all four windows will lower and the car will unlock. Now on a baking hot summer's day, that's a really good idea just to get some heat out of the car. Then you can go off and do whatever you're going to be doing. And all the windows can still be open. And then to save using the buttons inside the motor, when you go to lock it, just press the lock button, but keep that button pressed. That will lock your Audi Q3 and remote close all the windows. Just be careful if the key fob is in your pocket and you accidentally keep one of those buttons pressed. Time for a quick brew. In the top right is the battery location and how to check the battery on this Audi Q3. In the top left, the OBD2 port location, that's how you can check and reset any error codes. And in the bottom left, how to turn off the passenger airbag. That's really important if you're carrying a baby in a baby seat in the front passenger seat.